For the operation of the Spirometer MAS2%, the first is connected to the PLN grid for the power cable. After that it is connected to the USB, which will be connected to the laptop or PC. After that the cable for SpO2 is connected. After that it is also connected to the spirometer here. After everything is connected, then for the next installation for the installation of the application from the MAS2-PC. Connect the flash disk that contains the software from the application. Turn it on for the unit from the MAS2%. Sir. Then copy everything on the flash disk. Move to drive D, drive C or drive D. Following that has been moved to drive CB. Opened for setup. Next, then next again, next, click. Yes, wait. Click close. Here is the display of the MAS2% application. To operate it, just select the two MAS. Click yes. Wait until the software appears, comma. Here there will be settings for temperature, humidity, pressure and shearing volume. After that click apply. Here in directly no need to click calibration directly. Click terminate selected for this spirometer. Has appeared sys here is from the display for the spirometer. If you open a closet and there is to enter the code, then it is opened for a book that reads passport. Then the last page is opened. Well, the activation code. It is here on the last page 1631. OK. Thank you. I can't add the operation of the tool. First open the application that has been installed, then click yes. Wait for the program to initialize. Well, here will be filled in for the temperature of the room, humidity of the room, pressure and siring volume. After everything is filled in, click apply. Well, here there is for heating from the spirometer itself. Heating from the spirometer itself. So for the heating, wait first until it is finished. Just a note, if this tool is used for patient examination, then wait until the warm-up is complete. But I skip this first in click terminate. Then for the first examination that is used first, namely plus oximetry. Here later for the display of plus oximetry itself for the plus oximetry sensor is attached to the patient after. Being attached to the patient for SpO2, then click patient to fill in the patient data. Here filled in surname is the nickname. For example, as nickname name is Dimas. Patronymic is the last name O. Then click New Apply. After that click Apply to start from plus Oximetry. Click Start. Wait for the progress. Here is the display of AA. What is the pulse oximetry? If the examination already has results like this, then click Exit Red. Main menu to return to main menu. Yes. Yes. Then to Spirometer. Yes. Yes. Continue. Continue. Click Continue. So when the patient A was examined also for Spirometry, then click Start directly. This click Continue. Click Spirometer. Then for the examination just click E. First selected want to check from VCP, VCM, VV or conclusion if it has been selected, then click Start. Wait for the progress. Then here there are instructions for to do the test from the Spirometer. Three to CA already pressed and DR first. Just go to the one earlier so it will be explained. Like that. The results of the patient. Click Database, then Patient, then here just click the list which has been saved, for example in the name A. Hide JH. Click Load. After that for AEE print the results. Then just click directly Report Review. Well, from here you can see what the results are like from the patient and can be printed directly. Yes. If you have clicked Close the examination if it is finished. A. Just click Exit, then Exit. To alls. Yes. And EE. Turn off the computer. Thank you. That's all for the operation of MAS2-PC.